Hello. I am Farron, all the way from Cape Town. Welcome to my channel where I am going to teach you Afrikaans in a simple, fun, and easy way. Let's get started. Today, guys, we will start with vowels, which you all know it's A, I, E, O, and U. In Afrikaans it's the same, it's just a different pronunciation. So the word in Afrikaans will be vokale, which is vowels. So I will say it in Afrikaans now. A, which is for apple, it's an apple. I, it's for ink, which means ink. So it's the same words, different pronunciation as you can hear. The word ear for Ian, which means one in English. Oor, oor, it's a ear in English. Oi, which is a onion in English. Now we will be doing consonants, which is consonante in Afrikaans. Beer for boom, which is a tree. See, a Christen, which is a Christian. Deer for deer, which is a door. F for phone, which is a phone. G for groen, which is green. Next consonant will be H, which is hoor, y, jas, a jacket. K, ketel, kettle. L, loop, walking. M, man, man. N, neus, nose. So the next consonante will be P for perd, which is a horse. Ki, the letter Q is not commonly used in Afrikaans, so there isn't a word starting with Q in our dictionary. Yes. Letter R, rooi for red. S, see for the sea or the beach. T for tafel or table. The next consonants or consonante will be fear, which is vis or fish. Weer for water or water. X for extra or X-ray. I for oyster or iron. Z for zebra or zebra. Now we can do the alphabet together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, W, P, Q, R, S, T, E, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Here is a practice course for anyone who is interested. What does the letter hond start with? What is a cat? And spell vis. Next are the common words used in Afrikaans, which is ja, nee, dankie, hallo, tot ziens. The bonus word for today will be braai. Say it again. Braai it is a South African barbecue or the social event around it. For example, ons braai Saterdag. Ons braai Saterdag. We are having a barbecue on Saturday. Please hit the subscribe button if you think Afrikaans is for you. Baie, baie, baie dankie. Tot ziens.